Assalamualaikum class 6. Hope you will be fine. Students, here's your book, The Grammar Tree. So let's start our today's topic. Students, in our previous lecture we have studied about adjectives and comparison, and we have discussed about the 5 types of adjectives. Then we have discussed in detail the 3 degrees of adjectives and types of comparative forms. And now today we will start our lecture from page number 46 and from exercise B. कंप्लीट दी सेंटेंसेस विद द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड्स इन ब्रैकेट्स. ब्रैकेट्स में कुछ वर्ड्स गिवन है, हमने इनकी करेक्ट फॉर्म के साथ अपने सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. नंबर 1, दानिश इज़ डैश स्मार्ट स्मार्टर. दानिश इज़ स्मार्टर दैन हिज ब्रदर. नंबर 2, दिस टेस्ट इज़ डैश डिफ़िकल्ट मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट ऑफ ऑल. नंबर 3, वहाज इज़ डैश फोकस्ड. वहाज इज़ मोर फोकस्ड दैन एनी अदर बॉय. नंबर 4, Mr. Alim is the dash popular teacher in our school, most popular. Number 5, who do you think is a dash good, better singer, she or I? Number 6, she is not friendly as her younger sister. Number 7, this dress is fine but I would prefer a dash bright one, but I would prefer a brighter one. Number 8, they are all very good dancer but I found the girl who came on the stage last the dash the best. This drawing is dash accurate than the other one, more accurate. Number 10, Mr. Rahat is senior to my father, senior. Number 11, I did not enjoy the show at all but the last act was the dash bad, but the last act was the worst. Number 12, टेस्ट क्रिकेट इज़ ऑलवेज डैश इंटरेस्टिंग. इज़ ऑलवेज डैश इंटरेस्टिंग आ रहा है तो इसमें आएगा मोर इंटरेस्टिंग दैन वन डे क्रिकेट. नंबर 13, द डैश फॉर यू गो द फर्दर यू गो द डिफ़िकल्ट द मोर डिफ़िकल्ट द पाथ बिकम्स. नंबर 14, द डैश एक्टिव मेंबर इन माई हाउस इज़ द कैट, शी इज़ ऑलवेज प्लेइंग द मोस्ट एक्टिव. नंबर 15, the doctors are saying that this toothpaste is inferior, then that toothpaste is inferior too. Okay students, next हमारी exercise C and it's a last exercise. Let's revise. Rewrite each of the sentences given below using the appropriate degree of comparison as indicated. One has been done as an example. हमें ब्रैकेट में कंपैरिजन की डिग्री गिवन है. We have to complete or rewrite our sentence according to this degree. The red dress was pretty, change to comparative degree. The red dress was prettier than others. Number 2, he is wealthier than all other businessmen in our city, change to superlative degree. He is the wealthiest of all the businessmen in our city. Number 3, the Pacific is the largest of all oceans, change to comparative degree. The Pacific is larger than all other oceans. Number 4, the Himalayas are higher than the Andes, change using not with positive degree to show comparison. The Andes are not higher than other oceans. Rice scored higher than Ramesh, change using not with positive degree to show comparison. Ramesh did not score higher than Rice. Number 6, this test is difficult, the previous one was also difficult, change to show equal comparison. This test is as difficult as previous one. Number 7, she is not as friendly as I had thought, change to comparative degree using less. She is less friendly than I had thought. Number 8, Numan is the best spin bowler in our team, change to the comparative degree. Numan is a better spin bowler than all others in our team. Number 9, I found the last sum in this exercise more difficult than the other sums, change to the superlative degree. I found the last sum in this exercise the most difficult. Mr. Dilawar is the most respected member on the staff, change to the comparative degree. Mr. Dilawar is the more respected than any other members of the staff. Number 11, the new school playground is smaller than the earlier one, change to the positive degree. The new school playground is very small. Number 12, the new principal is strict, the one before him was also strict. Join into a single sentence using the positive degree. The new principal is as strict as the previous one. Number 13, the patient looks weak today, she didn't look so weak yesterday. Join into a single sentence using the comparative degree. The patient looked weaker than yesterday. Number 14, it rained heavily in August. It did not rain so heavily in July. Join into a sentence using the comparative degree. It rained more heavily in August than in July. Number 15. Children are very observant. Many parents don't realize how observant children are. Join into a single sentence using the comparative degree. Children are more observant than many parents replies. Okay students, यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया. ये थी मैंने आज की एक्सरसाइज बी और सी, and you have to complete it both exercise on your notebooks also, on your books also, and you have to learn both exercises and the definitions of and the different functions and different degrees of adjectives. Okay students, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.